Daddy try? Can Daddy try one, you think? See? Let Daddy show you. Oh. She did good. She blew up almost all of them now. That might be all of them. Oh, she didn't let it go. Oh, okay. Wait a second. Whoa! Can Daddy... What happened? It's stuck.
Oh.
That never happened. Oh, so why is it on pause? Ready? Boom! Don't touch the black. Don't touch the black. Yeah. Oh, Daddy got it. You think I could try a different one? Maybe some white. Maybe I could try some white.
How about some black?
How about some black? That's what we just did for the last 6 times.
How about some
Bluebirds?
white?
Where's the
White?
bluebirds? White. Oh, look at those white. Ooh, yeah. Oh. Oi. Daddy's turn. Oi. She never speaks nonsense. And then you just forget what you were gonna say.
How about white?
Yeah, why not? Okay, let me try. Oh, black and white. Oh, don't touch the black. You did it. You touched the black. Okay, wait a second. Can Daddy show you? Daddy will let me show you something, okay?